Hello everyone. So today we are going to see about the topic what is SAP and when was SAP was launched, and also we are going to see about what is the role of SAP basis consultant, what is SAP basis, and more. What is SAP? SAP is pronounced as SAP, never pronounced as sap of a tree. It is a system application and products in data processing. We call it as R by 3 since SAP runs on 3-tier architecture, which is real-time 3-tier architecture. The 3-tier architecture is nothing but SAP runs on 3 layers as what internet runs on 7 layers. So what are those 3 layers? 3 layers are presentation, database and application layer. We'll be going to learn about these layers in our further sessions. SAP is the world's leading provider of business management software. Established in 1972, it has a headquarters in Walford, Germany. 82,000 customers run SAP in 120 countries. So SAP ranks number 1 all over the world. So it has two main products in the business software market. We call it as R by 2, which runs on mainframe system, and R by 3, which is a client server system. As I said, SAP started in 1972 by 5 former IBM employees in Germany. It states that it is the world's largest and inter-enterprise software company and the world's 4th largest independent software supplier overall. The original name for SAP was German, which is System Anwendungen Produkte, German for systems, application and products. The original SAP idea was to provide customers with the ability to interact with a common corporate database for a comprehensive range of applications. Gradually, the applications have been assembled, and today, many corporations, including IBM and Microsoft, are using SAP products to run their own businesses. SAP applications built around their latest R by 3 systems provide the capability to manage financial, asset and cost accounting, production operation and materials. They all runs on a number of platforms including Windows 2000 and uses the client server model. So the latest version of a R by 3 includes a comprehensive internet enabled package. SAP recently recast its product offering under a comprehensive web interface called mysap.com and added a new e-business applications including customer relationship management CRM and supply chain management SCM. As of January 2007, SAP, a publicly traded company, had over 38 lakhs 4,000 employees in over 50 countries and more than 36,200 customers around the world. SAP is turning its attention to small and medium-sized businesses. A recent R by 3 version was provided for IBM's AS400 platform. So then, 7 years later, in 1979, they launched SAP R by 2. Then in 1981, SAP brought a completely redesigned solution to market with the change from R by 2 to R by 3 in 1992. What is basis? The term basis is reference to the underlying technical architecture of an SAP application. The term encompasses the server infrastructure, software, and the server processes that run the SAP application. Who are basis consultants? SAP consultants who design, build, and manage the SAP environment are termed as basis consultants. So they are the SAP technical architects in the IT organization. What is the scope of basis consultants in an IT organization? SAP consultants possess the skills required to administer and configure SAP specific settings in an IT landscape. They are part of a larger organization which may run a landscape consisting of several SAP and non-SAP applications. So, what are the prerequisites for starting a career in SAP basis? Basic knowledge of operating system, network management, and database administration are needed for starting a career in SAP basis. Now, SAP consultants divide themselves into three categories. One is functional consultant, second is basis consultant, and third is ABAP programmers. Who are functional consultants? Experienced people in some business area who knows how to customize those modules to meet the customer's need. And functional consultant in sense like SAP HR, SAP Finance, SAP MDM, and SAP SD. These are the functional consultants. Who are basis consultants? Technical consultants who take care of all the installation, administration tasks, and database administration. They are the technical consultant. And who are ABAP programmer? Technical consultant who writes SAP programs and reports for any new requirements in SAP by using ABAP by 4 programming language. They are the ABAPers. So as a SAP business consultants, we are not involved in ABAP. Only the ABAPer will take care of all the coding and programs. So you as a SAP business consultant is only responsible for the administration, installation, and all other monitoring activities. So these are the three main categories is SAP consultants. So customizing means once the customer buy one SAP kit, it contains all the modules with all the business processes. The next step is to customize to suit business needs and practices. So that's why when a company purchases a product, it comes with all the functional modules which the company needs according to the requirements. As I said, ABAP by 4 is an advanced business application program. So I hope you understood the concept of what is SAP and how, when it was launched, and what are the responsibilities of SAP basis consultants. Thank you so much for attending this session.